In this video, I will show you how to add Phantom Wallet to your Brave browser. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going over to phantom.com, and from the home screen you will already see this button download for Brave, but you can also click on download at the top right, and in here you can manually select Brave when you scroll down. So let's click on Brave. Right now we have this option add to Brave, so let's click on this. And in here we need to click on add extension. So as you can see, the extension is added, and you can see this by this icon in here. You are viewing an extension page, and you can access it by clicking on these extensions in here. And if you already have a wallet, you click on this option. And if you don't have one yet, then just select this option. So let's say you have one, then you can either connect your email wallet by your Apple ID or your Google account, or when you use a normal email address, you can basically click on import recovery phrase or import private key, and you can access these from your Phantom Wallet app on your phone. So you can also connect a hardware wallet if you have one, but I think the most people will be sorted with these three options. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.